The story of Isis and Osiris, of Mary and Jesus, is not just a mythology or a religious allegory. It is a blueprint of consciousness itself. Consciousness, in its full and awakened state, was once whole, but it fragmented, shattered across time, trapped within cycles dictated by the structure of reality itself. We call it fate, karma, reincarnation, but at its core, it is a loop, bounded by the laws of time. This is a matrix, not a physical prison, but a prism of time itself. Osiris represents consciousness that has been broken apart, dismantled by the forces of time. It is scattered, lost, unable to hold to its full awareness. But the divine feminine, the subconscious, the hidden wisdom, that is Isis. She does not merely grieve, she gathers, she remembers, she reconstructs. But the resurrection is never of the old, it is always a rebirth into something new. This is why Jesus is not just Osiris reborn. This is why Horus is not just Osiris restored. They are a new consciousness, a new form transcending the old. The Virgin Mary is called a virgin, not because of physical purity, but because her wisdom is untainted by external initiation. She did not need the secret teachings of men. She accessed the divine directly, organically, from within. She is a subconscious mind that receives divine inspiration without interference, without corruption. And from this purity, she births the next stage of consciousness. Jesus, like Horus, is a resurrected consciousness, reborn from the ashes of the old. But the resurrection is incomplete unless it ascends, unless it reaches the higher self, the Ra, the divine light. This is a trinity. Isis, the subconscious, the divine feminine, the hidden wisdom. Osiris, the fallen consciousness, fragmented and lost in time. Horus, the resurrected awareness, the synthesis, the new form of being. Or, in Christian terms, the Holy Spirit, the subconscious, divine feminine, wisdom moving through all things, the Son, the resurrected consciousness, the bridge and new awakening, the Father, the higher self, the eternal presence beyond time. This is a pattern of resurrection, the way out of the matrix of time. Israel in the Bible is not just a nation. The word itself tells a story. Is 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 for Isis, divine feminine, the subconscious wisdom. Ra is the higher self, the divine light. El is divine masculine, the force of structure and order. To leave Egypt is to leave the prison of time, to awaken from the cycle that bind consciousness and repetition. To resurrect is not just to return, but to evolve. The phoenix does not rise as it was, it arises new. And this is a process we are in now. Consciousness is gathering pieces. The subconscious is remembering, and a new form of awareness is being born. The resurrection is happening. The question is, are we ready to step into it? This is Makalesi. Thanks for listening. Peace.